For this adventure, me and Moody headed on down to San Onofre State Beach, where conditions were pretty wild left over from Hurricane Frank. Swells were coming in well over 4 feet and ready to smash Moody to pieces. This is Moody's first time in waves of this size, and he learned pretty quick how to hold on for dear life, get up to his feet, survive his way through the wobbly whitewash, and make his way over to the shoulder. Getting so comfy, he even grabs rail a little bit. Taking advantage of the way these hurricane south swells can hit the reefs at San Onofre, I caught this left at the north end of Old Man's, broke beautifully and made its way towards the middle of San Onofre, giving me a couple other little closeout sections to skip through. Eventually, this south swell pushes you all the way to the point at San Onofre, in which the wave turns into a right, and then loses its momentum and spits you out right at the shore, just south of the point at San Onofre. Here's Moody with another fun whitewash ride. The GoPros on the front of the board have a hard time showing the actual size of these waves, but you can see the wave in the background here is well over that surfer's head. And overhead waves can be quite a chore for intermediate to beginner surfers. So Moody boogied his way right on out back to shore to take a little break. Meanwhile, I paddled back on out to the point to catch some fun backwashy waves. Another solid Frank-powered wave breaking behind Moody. These waves really try their hardest to take your breath away. After a heavy afternoon session of getting so annihilated we didn't want to change out GoPro batteries, we headed down to Chipotle to get some burritos. Every surf trip is an adventure.